All right, I'm Dr. Deuk, CEO and founder of Deuk Spine Institute. I'm here with my patient and his lovely wife. And where did you travel from?
I'm coming from Trinidad and Tobago. It's in the Caribbean. It's a beautiful island.
Yes, it is. I've been there.
Oh, you've been there?
Yeah. I've been
Okay,
there.
great. You should
Long
come
time
again.
ago. I would love to come again.
Yes, you're invited.
Thank you very much. I'll keep that in mind.
Yeah.
Now, you had surgery done on your neck just 2 days ago, right?
Yes.
And why did you have that done?
Okay. I've been having a lot of neck pains for a long time, maybe a couple of years. And I did a MRI, and there were C3, C4, C5, C4, C5,
5, 6,
5, 6,
and 6, 7.
6, 7. Dr. Deuk did an excellent job. Miracle work. I was up and running after the surgery immediately. My neck pain is gone. My back pain is gone. I am feeling excellent. I highly recommend him. I highly recommend the service over here. It's wonderful.
Thank you. But I don't do miracles, my friend. Only God does miracles. I just
But you
do what I do.
do what you do.
Thank you. Now, when was your back surgery?
Oh, my back surgery was like 2 hours ago.
Yeah.
And look at me. I'm up and running.
Yeah. And are you in the hospital or are you going home?
I'm going home. Actually, I'm traveling to go home to Trinidad tomorrow.
Wonderful. And I'll be right behind you, coming to visit. All right. Was there anything else you want to tell any of your family or friends?
Okay. I would like to thank the staff at Deuk Institute. I am very happy that I came here. The service was excellent. Everyone treated me really, really wonderful. I will recommend this institute to everyone, wherever part of the world you guys are. It is a wonderful experience, and I'm thankful for God for leading me here. Everyone treated me excellent. Dr. Deuk was excellent. My friend who is in the background here.
Come on over,
Come on,
Dr.
guys.
Come on.
Santiago.
Santiago, this guy is paramount. He's wonderful. He's
Thank you very
excellent.
much.
His service is so good. You're good.
Thank you
you
very
guys,
much.
you
It's been
guys,
a pleasure to
you
take care
guys,
of you and
yes,
help
you guys are the best.
And Lauren, who helped you?
Lauren,
Oh, yes.
Lauren
She
was
the first
wonderful. Lauren was wonderful. She encouraged us. You know, she get us to come, get us, get us going. Yeah. So, it's wonderful.
There's a lot
I
of
express
names
all my
to call.
feelings.
Yeah.
There's a lot of names to call, but I can't
Mrs.
recall
Ann,
all the names.
Mrs. Ann,
But
Mrs.
to
June,
everyone who participated,
Mrs. Beth.
thank you all guys.
You're
I
welcome.
love you
It's
all
our
guys.
pleasure. You're
I
welcome.
love you
It's
all
our
guys.
pleasure.
We feel like family now.
Good. You are
I would
family.
recommend anybody. Yeah. Just about anybody, any part
Thank
of
you.
the world.
Take care. Yes.
Thank you.
Yes,
Thank
yes,
you.
yes,
Yeah.
Thank you.
Have a safe travels.
Thank you very much. No,
No, I must help you up.
thank you. You're welcome. You guys are really good. You guys are really good.
I think,
I